Wild Birds Unlimited in Plastow, New Hampshire. As you can see, the birds are absolutely loving the feeders. I'm going to refill everything today and change out the finials since we're past Halloween. So I'm going to take you with me as I refill them and tell you what I'm going to fill them with. For the cylinder, since it's getting a bit cold out, I'm going to put a bug net and berry. The bluebirds really love the mealworms in this cylinder, so that's what I'm going to do for this one. I filled up the finch feeder off camera. I had to take this one apart. The Niger seed can get a little bit caked up if it rains, so it's always good to keep an eye on that and make sure it's not caked up at the ports, because you don't want the birds to eat the food if it gets moldy or spoils. For the suet feeder, I have a ton of woodpeckers coming to the feeder all the time, so I'm going to go with the PB&J. This has a lot of peanuts and it also has blueberries and raisins in it. As you can see, the birds really like the feeders and they aren't shy when they come up to the feeder. For the finial, we're going to change it out and go with the snowman. And I'm also going to take this feeder down to refill that. I've seen a few cardinals out here, so I'm trying to get them to come to the feeder. I've seen a male and a female, so I'm hoping that I'll get to see them a little bit more. I'm going to use the cardinal confetti. This has the oil sunflower in it, which is their favorite. It also has mealworms, safflower, and striped sunflower. The birds really love these little branches that are on here as well. They land on those and jump to the feeders, and they're on it constantly. So I hope you like this video and stay tuned for our next one.